Welcome to Games, Gamers, Gadgets, and Geeks. Today I'll be showing you how to unbox a HomePod mini out of the box. So let's get started. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell reminder, all that fancy stuff. To subscribe so that way we know that you're getting notified or that you subscribe to the channel, and that you hit that bell reminder to also get updates of when we put out videos. Alright, thank you, and let's get started. So obviously with these boxes they have this little tab. If you've never opened up a box before, Apple has it where you can they have these little tabs on there, little tabs on their boxes, so that way all you gotta do is just peel all the way around, like so, so you get all the way around the box. And it's pretty simple. So jam, just like that. Now obviously you just go like that, and there's the HomePod mini. On both sides, the top, what the top looks like, and this is their new HomePod mini. I know it's not as fancy. It's about $100. If you visit their website, you can get one. They also have it where they got a bigger one if you wanted a bigger one. So yeah, that's just basically it. And then usually they have little tabs on these guys too, but I'm gonna have to pull out my little knife. Like so, and then obviously you cut here, like so, in between the little box slithers. Now that's done and out of the way. Now you just take the plastic off like you have before, if you didn't know how to do that. And then now to slide it out of the box. We're going to slide it out of the box. HomePod mini. And so you just take it out of the box. Obviously it's got a little cable that's attached to the back if you've never gotten this before. And it's a USB-C at the end, for most of you that didn't know. So I'll set that aside. And obviously you get the normal stuff that's inside the box. Your normal legal documents and stuff that comes in the box. And then it comes with a power brick inside the box. Alright, and that's how you unbox. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell reminder, and look out for future videos. Alright, thank you.